Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Mazda BT-50 DX single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5412. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 9th month 2011. It has a WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-drive transmission. WEAT 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We've got the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, factory alloy bull bar, left-hand headlight, left guard, flared type, has light hail. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door appears to have no damage. Pair of Kingsley step boards with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Triple M steel tray with a canvas canopy. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step Kingsley step boards brand, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right front door has 4 dents. Right guard has light hail. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Rear the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. Vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior, manual centre console, bench seat type, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, aftermarket Pioneer, double din touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.